Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be planning for the month of October. As you know, this is going to be my first plan with me, so it's my first monthly plan with me as well. I was going to include my budget setup as well for this month, but it hasn't arrived. So when it does arrive, I'm going to be popping it on this page here, and I'll probably just take pictures or I'll add it onto this video because it's not going up until next week. So if it does arrive within this week, I'll film it and just add it onto this video at the end. So I'm going to, and also I did in my unboxing of the Erin Condren, I did say this is going to be like my memories page. So there's going to be like decorations, photos and things from whatever happens during the week will be going there. I'm going to keep this as birthdays, I'm going to keep this as monthly goals, and I'm going to pop my oracle card of the month here, and this is going to be my monthly tracking here. So it's going to be Instagram, YouTube, Facebook page and Facebook group here. And then we get on to our month. So I'm going to be using this kit here. Let me just move my camera up there a minute. I'm going to be using this kit here. This is the Plannerface October kit, and it goes with the, what's it called now? Is it Witch Please kit? I believe it does say so. Yeah, so it goes with the Witch Please kit, weekly kit, which I have got and I will be using on the first week of the planner. So we have this page here, and it's got some full boxes, very nice. And then we've got some checklists in case there's a really busy day going on, and some quarter boxes. We've got some headers, a little bit of washi. We've got our date cover-ups and some icons. We've got those dreaded bills and some half boxes, a few flags, smaller pieces of washi, some pictures, and then we've got some washi squares for the months where, the days where it's not part of this month, and then we've got our side banner here, and obviously our holiday dates here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to plan, and I will pop some music on, so I won't be talking through it. Let me know if you prefer that, and you can just bob along to the music with a cuppa and watch me plan. So stay tuned if you want to see how this turns out.